welcome back to the channel. The 10th of October, we're taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance this morning, ticker symbol AERO USD. This is the US dollar pair. This is a daily chart, and the price data is from Coinbase. Well, haven't done much in a couple days here for Aerodrome. We got smacked. Bitcoin got smacked pretty hard, falling below some overhead resistance. Somebody said in the comments, hey, hopefully Bitcoin doesn't wet the bed. Bitcoin wet the bed. On the positive side of that, guys, Aerodrome did not get hit at all. Like, it didn't even, you wouldn't even know Bitcoin got hit if you look at the Aerodrome chart. So the relative strength of Aerodrome to Bitcoin is very good. It's outperforming Bitcoin. It's holding up very well. Concern of mine here, let's take a closer look here at the chart. We obviously have major resistance at the 128 level. Multiple attempts to break out. We reversed on the 7th. We reversed on the 9th, which is yesterday. Today's an inside day. We don't have a new high. We don't have a new low. It's very quiet. My concern of mine, as I was saying, is the longer we just meander around here and don't start to really put pressure on this 128, the likelihood of a drop starts to increase. Now, going against what I just said, seeing that Aerodrome did not get hit very hard yesterday when Bitcoin did, starts to put more favor in a, things are quiet and we're just, at any positive strength in Bitcoin, this thing's going to go. So we'll see, either way it plays out. I'll be ready here to cover it. So if we look at Bitcoin, we'll come back to this chart. If we look at Bitcoin, here is Bitcoin getting hit yesterday. So obviously major resistance up here between the 64,375, 63,788. Hung out for a day or so at the 62,206 and then got pulled right back down to support at 60,205.47. So we talked about the potential to go down there. Now, again, I don't know if this level is going to hold. It's holding for right now. You can see it. Our low was 61,824. So we didn't quite get down to the 60,205. Very close. So let's see, 60,205. Our low there was 60,255. Yeah, very close. We could hold there today and fail tomorrow. And if that's the case, obviously we'll be putting in a new lower low and we'll be heading down here to 58,910. But again, if we get any kind of rally here in Bitcoin, maybe back up to 62, I think we're going to see Aerodrome really take advantage of that and move to the upside. Again, the longer it takes to break out here and just hang out is not bullish, but let's not forget that Bitcoin got hit very hard and Aerodrome basically shrugged it off and just hanging out. Aerodrome should be down here, judging by that Bitcoin move yesterday. It should be back down to 106, 104 level, and it's not. So again, its relative strength is much stronger, based off of Bitcoin, comparing it to Bitcoin. So we'll see, guys. Let's just keep our eye on this. The currently up, let's see here. When I say currently up, Aerodrome, I don't own Aerodrome, but from the breakout zone, it's up about 95%. And the breakout zone was right around 61. If you're new to the channel, Aerodrome broke out. Failed breakout here on the 12th, confirmation on the 13th, and right above this overhead resistance line that has been in play. Let's see here. So you can see it's been in play for a while here, and we finally got that breakout. So if you're also new to the channel, I want to welcome you guys. Appreciate the support and all the new subscribers. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so and turn the bell on to be notified when we put these videos out. Any extreme moves in price we will be covering soon after or so. Also, if you're new to the channel, we have upside targets. So what we're looking for here is obviously a break above 128, 129. Very important. It's major resistance right now. And, you know, once we start to see that, if we start to see that, it could happen in a very strong fashion. We have targets for starters, 132, 134, 144, 69. The 144.69 could be here quicker than some might think, especially if we get a positive move in Bitcoin and Aerodrome. I think it's going to outperform that. Once it has the chance to run, I think it's going to go. So we'll see. That's what I'm hoping for. Again, if Bitcoin gets crushed, Aerodrome's going to have a hard time. It might shrug it off like it has recently, but I think, you know, if the overall market's heading lower, so's Aerodrome. Maybe not right away, but it will. But it's nice to see it hold up much better than the sell-off yesterday in Bitcoin. So for below the market, 106, 104, support 98, 224 if things get ugly. Above the market, like I said, 132, 134, and then 144.69, guys. That's going to wrap it up for this video. We'll see. Things have been quiet. Keep your eye on that 128 level, excuse me. And then for Bitcoin, we have, let's see here, 60,205 is current support. New market lower low in would be 58,910. And if we start to rally, 62,206.75. Major resistance up here. We have a lower high. So far, no lower low. We still have a higher low, but we're close. So we're getting close to that change in trend back to the downside. Hopefully not, but hey, we're not in control of that. We just got to follow and make moves based on what it does. Guys, thanks for watching. Of course, not financial advice. If you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to join us here. I'll catch you guys in the next one.